everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a quick and easy, no hassle gel polish. Today I'm going to be using Modelones white, which is called cream, the new glitter, which is called ice bar. I'm going to be using the light pink, which is called, I forget, strawberry ice cream, the Modelones top coat. Right, so the strawberry ice cream. It does look like ice cream too. It's a really cute color. Really cute color. You guys are noticing my pajamas? I'm like in chill mode, okay? So I didn't have anywhere to go. That's always a good time to do your videos. Then that way you don't have to set aside time. I took advantage of having some free time, and so I'm in my little silk PJs and I'm chilling. All I need is some fluffy house shoes, which is something I don't have. So because I'm doing it this way, this is going to turn into a set of press-ons. It being a set of press-ons, you don't want to pull up a lot of polish at the cuticle area, because that can cause lifting and peeling. Very cute. Alright, there's only this one nail. There's going to be two accent nails, but this one I'm going to do something different. I'm going to put the glitter on that. So this is going to go into the lamp and cure for 60 seconds. And this one is going to get the ice bar pink glitter finish. This polish is really cute. It doesn't seem to show up significantly on the first polishing, and I do need to use 3 coats of it. Go in with my holographic chrome dusting powder. And for this, you're going to use one of those makeup sponge brushes. This freaked me out when I first used it, because it is like magnetic to the sponge. It attaches like, and I'm going to show you. This is so like, it didn't do it that time. When it does it, I'll show you. And you're going to do this without having, right after curing, you're just going to rub it in. Just do it on this one nail. There it is. Look at it. It looks like little hairs growing on the sponge. That is so, I don't like creepy crawly things. as I've seen this now and I like the way it looked, I wished I had ordered more than one. And here's this one, and we're going to do one final coat of it. When you do this third coat, the pink is going to show through the nail just slightly more. I'm going to cure it. And so while that is curing, I'm just going to take the dusting powder and put it away. And that's how they look, guys. Isn't that just really, really cute? So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a dab of the strawberry ice cream. And a small dab of the cream white. And I'm just going to create some designs. Nothing major, just add some stripes with these two colors, starting to blend it into each other to unify the colors of the different nails. Oh, by the way, while that's curing, so if you're wondering about me putting the gel polish down on my tabletop, this is actually a silicone mat, and this came from the dollar store. You can put anything, not anything, but any nail product that I have used and spilled on it, all I've had to do was wipe it clean, either 1 with alcohol, or 2 with fingernail polish remover, or 3 some acetone. So it just simply wipes clean, and I'll show you that as well. So I'm just going to pump up a little bit of alcohol, just as you would if you polished a nail and you needed to change it or make corrections, and just simply wipe it clean. And I also wipe my brushes off on this mat. I clean my gel brushes off on this mat. So here is the finished design. Very simple, cute. I am going to now top it off with some Model 1's gel top coat. So cute. I know I was waiting to get me some gel polish. While we're waiting for that to cure, I'm going to put things away.